Yo guys, welcome in this beautiful scenery video. We are at a fishing lake right here in the Netherlands, and yeah, as you can see, the sun is shining. I'm chilling here really good on the couch, on the bench here outside, and I want to have a talk about altcoins. And this might be quite a very important video for every single one of you who is actually invested in altcoins, and in specific artificial intelligence altcoins. Well, let me first start. We have seen a lot of these altcoins rally, right? And we have been calling a lot of these altcoins at WhaleAlerts. We have been sending a list of the altcoins that we're watching with the entries and so on, and a lot of altcoins that we've picked, including DYDX from the decentralized exchange, from the DEX, including fetch.ai, including RLC, Ori Chain. We picked a lot of altcoins, and actually almost every altcoin outperformed Bitcoin, the ones that we picked. And most of the ones that we picked were based on artificial intelligence. Why? Because it looks like that is going to be the narrative of this cycle. We have, for example, in 2017, we had the ICO boom. So basically any project out there could just make a coin with a good story, like an initial coin offering basically, and could explode. Right? There were so many projects, and actually mostly of these projects have never been realized. There's only a very small handful of projects that are still out there, and they are not trading at similar levels as we have seen in 2017. Then the next bull market, what was the big narrative then? We had DeFi, decentralized finance. As you know, we got Uniswap, coins like that going through the roof. That was really the narrative of the previous bull market, and it looks like this bull market, the narrative is going to be artificial intelligence. But you got to be very careful, because as these altcoins are exploding to the upside, of course there is also a higher downside potential. Right, what goes up must come down, and the more extreme it will go up, the more extreme it will go down. That is basically how it works. That is the law of rhythm, and I think right now, if we have a look at altcoins, also when we have a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart, we are coming to a support zone right now. We are very close at a support zone, and I think it would be wise, if you have been trading one of these altcoins and you're not planning to hold them for your longer term portfolio, to take some profits right here, as we are approaching the support of the Bitcoin dominance, which is a potential moment where we could see a bounce in the Bitcoin dominance, so liquidity going back into Bitcoin. I think sooner or later we are going to see this, and rather sooner than later. And what we also see in most bull markets is that Bitcoin first is rallying, right, with what we actually already have seen right now. Altcoins are following, well, mostly artificial intelligence altcoins are following, but right now Bitcoin is hovering a little bit. Maybe we get one last push up, but then I do think sooner or later we will also get a correction in Bitcoin very soon. Like I said, based on time, I expect the next low in Bitcoin the second week of March. But I do think, based on the Bitcoin dominance chart and based on my previous bull market experiences, I do think that most altcoins will take a deep hit too. So if you joined WhaleAlerts, if you have been trading these altcoins, or if you have been buying these altcoins outside of WhaleAlerts, also fine. I think right now is a great time to take at least some profits. You can also apply the following strategy, like you can take the amount of money that you put into these altcoins, you can take that one out, so you basically break even, right? You can put that back into Bitcoin, or you can keep it in stables whatsoever, and you can leave the rest of your altcoin back. You can let it roll for the bull market if you want to hold them for longer term periods. But I would be very careful with this, because I'm personally never holding altcoins for a longer time frame. I never do that. I only jump into these altcoins whenever I see a good setup on the chart and whenever they can outperform Bitcoin. So I jump in, the altcoin goes up, it goes up in Bitcoin perspective, because if it doesn't outperform Bitcoin, I'm not even going to buy the altcoin. I will just be positioned in Bitcoin. I will take profits into Bitcoin, because the goal is to get more Bitcoin, right? And yeah, basically so I've liquidated most of my altcoin positions right now, or liquidated. I actually switched them back into Bitcoin, some a little bit in stables, but all of them in profit, and most of them have doubled, have definitely by far outperformed Bitcoin. I'm very happy with that. And sometimes it's also good to take a moment to be happy with those gains and just take profits, right? Then another thing I want to share, really soon we are going to have a update for WhaleAlerts. Basically, we are talking right now with some other connections to partner up. Very soon it is not possible anymore, guys, to join this program by just signing up on the exchange. So there will come a day in the coming week or weeks, there will come a day where that part is shut, because we are going to extend this service, and the only way to get a seat is by a monthly subscription, which is also going to be definitely a fair value for what you get for it. But of course, if you still want to enroll for a low cost, you can still do that right now, ensure your seats by joining just Bybit with the affiliate link down below. Guys, this is what I have to say for today. I think it is a beautiful day today. I would say it's a beautiful day to take some profits on the altcoin swings that we took and take them back into Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin is going to do, if we still get that last push up, or if we're already going to see that correction right now. I think the chart, the US dollar Theta and the US dollar USDC dominance chart is going to tell us what is going to happen with Bitcoin, and I will do my best to share that as well on a timely manner right here, and also on WhaleAlerts. Guys, I want to thank you all for watching and for joining me in this beautiful scenery on this beautiful day, and I love you all very much, and I hope to see all of you in the next video.